Okay, so now I know what to do.
It didn't do pawn.
Oh.
Because I didn't have this out. Now it's gonna do pawn. Let me just... here, can you get me some beans real quick?
Here.
Beans. Or this. This will work too. Alright, you can have that back. Just join me.
Why is there a floating ammunition?
Alright, it's because you gave me the thing and I didn't have it in my hand again.
Oh.
Alright, join me.
There's a lot of leave. This was a lot of leave and joining.
Wonderful. Good. This is good. Right, hold on. Can you get me like your grappler or something? Something that I can move with. Yeah, this. Thank you.
Tell me when.
Alright. Now.
No.
No.
No or now?
No. I told you yes. It's fine.
It came out. God damn.
Yep.
That's a lot of money.
Yep, I told you you would get a lot of money. Here, I need one of the things again.
Where did you even put the last one?
I don't even know. Oh my god. Thank you, I'll keep this in my stash. Put that in there. Do this. Alright, now sell this. Just go sell it. It's heavy because it has like a bunch of Pokemon cards in there.
Pokemon?
Yeah, look.
I'm a big
Just look.
Pokemon fan. I'm a big Pokemon fan. You got me up to 5 mil. Let's go.
I give everyone good amount of money.
I'm a big Pokemon collector in real life, so I am.
You're a big Pokemon fan?
I'm a big Pokemon fan. I just hide it from my YouTube channel.
Sell that.
I have a full box and a full binder.
Ooh.
Did you say sell? Or no?
Yeah, sell it. Yeah, just go sell that big thing.
This one seems very light.
Yeah, but when you're holding like 4 of them, no. They're not even light at all. Just, you'll get a 300,000 again.
God damn. That sells for a lot.
I know, see?
How much nuts do you have from doing this?
1 million. It's because I've been duping for people, but I've been spending it too.
How do I do it? I want to dupe this.
Here, what's inside there, Han? Give me it and
It's
I'll
loads
see.
of galaxy
Han.
stuff.
I won't steal it, I promise.
Yeah, it's loads of galaxy stuff.
Han, can I just see what's in there, please?
It's loads of
I
galaxy
won't
stuff.
steal it. No, I want to see what galaxy stuff it is. So just give me it so I can see, please.
Like fur mines
Like
and all
I'm
that
not
OG stuff.
like I'm not gonna steal it. Like I promise.
So like fur mines, DVDs, crackers, sticks,
Can you just
golden
hand me it so I can
revolvers,
see? Can you just
RPGs.
hand me it so I can see? Just hand me it so I can see.
I don't really trust.
Bro, I promise.
Last time I gave someone a bag full of golden stuff.
Bro,
And they
why would
never
I be
gave it back.
doing this if I lie?
Last time I literally gave one of my friends a full bag of golden stuff. And he never gave it back.
Yo, I will, like, actually.
It's just like that all like old stuff.
Like, please. I actually will.
Or
You can trust me.
I can do this. Which has all grapplers.
What kind?
Duped. No, not duped. Not duped. I mean, from the thing machine. The machine that like changes the color of them
Here, hold on.
and size.
Alright, hold on.
I'll take one out. Why is there just normal one?
Yo, I can't let anyone save my stuff.
This. Like this stuff.
Oh, like that?
don't know
I
why
can't
this
let
is-
anyone save the duping things. Like, it's very
Really?
rare. Yeah, it's like very rare. It's rarer than anything. Like, OG, moderator, like, everything of that. These bags I have are very rare. And you can trust me to dupe both of those things.
And then
Like,
this,
I can put, like,
and
I
this
can
is just,
put,
like, way
wait.
more.
Here. Give me every bag you want me to do, alright? Because I can, spawn the duping thing. And then I can put it in the bags. And dupe it. And then, you'll have two. Of the exact same thing. So,
I guess you can do this bag.
just give me every bag you want me to do.
You can do this bag, so you can.
Alright, let me see what's in here first. Like, let me see. Cool. I can do this, yeah. Alright, I got it in the bag. And what else? What other
Hey,
bag?
You know this safe zone area? There's actually a ghost inside of
What
it.
other bag? What other bag?
You know the safe zone thing? There's actually a ghost inside of it. Portable.
Oh wait. Oh yeah.
Poor guy.
Here, give me another bag so I can put it in.
Let me see what I have that I can.
That, like, very rare things. Give me very rare things, like the rarest things you have. Put it in this bag. Put it in these bags. Dupe it. Then we can, and then you'll have two.
What's rare?
No. That like just came out though. But yeah, I can dupe that
It's kind of
though.
hard to find.
If you want me to dupe it, I can. But I need like rare, like OG, like all of that. Like the bag you showed me, I can put it
Oh,
inside
gee.
the.
Hi.
Alright, put it in there. Wait, oh wait, hold on.
I don't think
You need to grab it, then put it in there. There we go. What else?
I've
Like
got
you
this
can
big
give me
Pokemon
bags, right?
I've got this big. That's right. Bag of jade coolies?
Alright.
Maybe. I don't know.
No, we can do that.
Okay.
What's inside there?
Yeah, you can check it out. You can check it out if you want. It's like eggs and like. That. Was a demon sword.
What else do you want me to do?
That was a demon sword, and that's what it was.
Oh,
That's it.
where it went in.
Bro, that's it.
That's it?
Yeah.
Alright. Was that most of your rare bags?
Yeah.
Like your rarest bags
They're like
that
the
you
third
had.
rarest.
Yeah, like your very rare thing. Like your very rare.
I did have a very rare thing in there, which was, which was a galaxy egg.
Ooh. Alright, hold on. Let me dip it. Let me do this. Do that. Put it on there. And then put it right there. And then do that. Do that. What was that?
It was just my thing.
Hold on.
It was just my that thing up there that's floating, turning off.
Oh wait, I forgot to unfriend one of my friends from that was mean to me. Oh wait, what? Since I'm getting ready to dupe it, I need to do that. So coming in over here. Let me just do that. Then see.
minegameskidx. Fuck you. Never friend him. If you ever see him, don't. If you ever see minigames, kidx, don't friend him. Don't let him take your stuff. No matter what the cost, don't let him. That wasn't even my rare stuff. Just saying that wasn't my rare stuff. It was nowhere near my rare stuff. Anyways, peace out, Riz.